back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit on this channel, share a little bit of something for everyone, no matter what your background is. And I also try to share things that are different and not being shared across all the other remote work from home job channels. YouTube in my dashboard does show me the other videos and channels that you watch, so I'm always searching for things that are different, not trying to give you the same thing over and over again. So with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge lingerie and activewear retailer Victoria's Secret. Now, they're known for their lingerie, their bras and panties, but they do have an activewear line of leggings, hoodies, all kind of clothing items, and they are hiring a seasonal payroll clerk. Now, the link to this page, if you want to put that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy these job lead videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. But this is going to be a remote position within their human resources department. It is going to be full-time. They're looking for somebody to help their payroll operations team with day-to-day just operations with administrative tasks such as opening, sorting mail, filing, and digitizing paper documents. You'll have to process garnishment requests, validate calculations to ensure it is processed accurately in compliance with law, get that put into the system so that those garnishments come out of whoever's paycheck. You'll analyze, research, and update associate banking information in their Oracle system, collaborating with payroll teams as needed. You'll provide customer service by conducting timely research and analysis on all customer inquiries, executing accounting principles within the system. Pay for this position is anywhere from $22.70 an hour all the way up to $29.82 an hour. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who has high attention to detail and a technical mindset. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, be able to multitask, be self-motivated, and be proficient with computers and using one, specifically those Microsoft Office systems like Outlook, Excel, Teams, and Word. Now, one thing they do say is they prefer a degree in business, accounting, finance, or some kind of comparable degree or equivalent work experience. When places say that they prefer it and it's not required, this isn't a perfect world scenario. The perfect candidate would meet all of these check marks. However, you're never going to find that. The world is not perfect. So when they're looking for things that they require, if you've got work experience in like a payroll type field, they will take that over a degree. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.